today I'm saying get a snack at 4 a.m. Now listen up. I have played this game before. You can see it, okay? See, the insomnia ending is when you just, do nothing or don't get an ending for a very, very long time and it becomes very late. That's insomnia ending. Sleep ending is where I go downstairs, get the correct snack, the chips, aka the chips, and then come here, eat it, go back to sleep. That's the sleep ending. Toothpaste ending is where I go into my dad's room. But I don't know why, but he's sleeping in the bathroom, and then I get the toothpaste, and then I eat it, and then just die from the toothpaste. The shoplift ending is where I take a food from the shop, but then I don't pay for it, and I just get out of the shop. I can't take food from the shop without paying when the shopkeeper is on break, though. That's another thing. Breakfast. Breakfast is when I go out, when I get some cash, I go to the store, I buy the eggs, I come back here because when you can only pick up one item. I come back here, I cook the eggs, I put the egg on the plate, I go back there again, get the oranges and put the oranges on the drinking plate. That's the breakfast ending. Perfect breakfast. Orange is where I basically go downstairs. There's this very weird looking orange here, and by the way, I don't know if this was your childhood, but there's this very popular kind of like orange YouTuber. I don't think you should check him out. Not hating. He's kind of like a meme, just a meme, and yeah. And then the orange just keeps on talking on and on and on and on, and yeah. And also the purple guy ending is when you talk to the purple guy when the shopkeeper is on break. That's what to expect. See, that's the orange I was talking about. Like I know, do not know what you meant. Hey, that's the broccoli cat meme. Not the broccoli cat meme. 11 T11. No. I just want to clear my dad's room real quick. You see, he's sleeping and I cannot wake him up. I don't know what. I'll just get this money here real quick, You see, I picked up that Colgate and ate it. That's how I got that one ending. What? This. Seeing this? My thoughts into objects. You can actually see since I can't. But one of these notes, can you find them? I did not see this before, guys. I'm getting kind of spooked. Maybe I should get back to upstairs in real life. Okay. I'm getting a little bit scared here. I don't know why. Okay. if you're seeing this, 1 out of 5. Okay. Kind of creeped me out a little bit. Okay, everything in this game creeps me out. The purple guy really creeped me out that one time because it was night time. Yeah, and this specific time. Hey, the picture changed. This is a different timeline. So the picture. Oh my goodness, I can't believe. Oh, that's what you mean. I will just not waste my time. Go get the money. Try to find more of the notes in the other timeline. Like seriously, guys, I seriously had no idea that those notes exist, and I never noticed that before. Yeah, thanks for playing. You're welcome. That's a Minecraft cake. Just get the money over here. Get the money over here. I think picking up the orb was related to the whole, timeline note thing. Yeah. I bet that's the breakfast one, not that. Let me just get this without touching orange. It's not really orange. It's a different timeline. Oh my freaking goodness. My God. I never noticed that before. How to? Let's just go ahead. gotten all the money I can. I'm getting kind of creeped out because it is very late in the night. Well, not in real life. In real life, it's 6:55 p.m. But in reality, it's maybe I should not speak like that. It's creeping me out. The only thing which is keeping me safe is the fact that there's a guy inside of the shop, and that is keeping me, and that is making me feel safe. Safe as in inside the game. I'm safe in real life. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get some money here real quick. Got the Robux. Yeah, you see, this is where I got the eggs. I got this egg. I went back to the other. I bought this egg. Actually, bought this egg. I went back over there, and when it was on break, I stole the orange juice, and then I just literally, I just put that there. But can I? That's the orange juice. I think that I was okay. Well, let me just pick up the orb. It's okay. I can feel the timeline shifting. This thing costs way too much. I have 99. I will place the item. I will tap cast the 99. Tap the again to purchase. Pick up this orb. I'll just tap to this cashier guy. This game is creeping me out, y'all. This game is creeping me out. No. Okay. I got the orb. I will leave the game. Then I will just join again. Okay, I'll leave the game and then I will join again. I'll leave the game and I'll join again. Waiting for an available server retry. See? We are in a different timeline. The pictures are different. That was orange before. The pictures have changed. Oh my goodness, this is freaking me out. I have to find one of them each time. It's seriously freaking me out, kinda. I don't understand how this father figure guy isn't waking up and I'm doing all this stuff. Like, yeah. He only wakes up when I thought, let's see, this has changed again. It's changing. Where is the note this time? timelines are changing and it is freaking me out, guys. Help. I'll just take all the cash I can find here and I will go outside. Seriously freaking me out. Oh my gosh. Take this. I'm getting scared. I'm getting very scared. This is open 24 hours. I don't have an item with me. Come on, get the item. The robux. Yeah, the robux. I haven't brought a soda for you. I actually do know the deal. This game is, I just realized, this game is more. This game is some more stuff. Oh my god. Got the orb. Have the orb, but I haven't found the note this time. My goodness, this is scaring me. Okay. Get the orb. I'm gonna get the orb. Place item. Talk to the cashier. I'm gonna purchase the orb, I swear. I'm going to purchase the orb. I don't have enough cash. Come on, man. I'm trying to save the timeline here. Help me out, bro. Help me out. You sure you want to buy this orb? Not taxing me. You can't purchase. Let's see. Come on. Purchase orb, we don't. Cash. I do not have enough cash, in fact. I'm gonna bring this orb outside. The orb disappears in a minute. I'm gonna walk home without getting, all this. I just don't know at this point. I'm getting kind of scared. I think whenever I'm playing a Roblox game, I imagine myself in the game. This feels weird, This feels weird. Turn it off. Where's that other note? I need to find the other note, guys. Okay, you know what? Since I am pretty hopeless in this situation, I am going to go ahead and watch a YouTube video. I know that's a dirty trick.